April 10, 1815. One volcano erupted, and within minutes, daylight began to disappear forever.
Within minutes, a giant column of ash climbed nearly 40 kilometers into the sky, blocking the sunlight.
Then the mountain exploded. Burning rocks and volcanic fire blasted across the land at incredible speed. Hot volcanic ash began falling like deadly rain, covering forests, rivers, and every nearby village. Families ran in every direction, but the fast-moving ash cloud was impossible to escape.
Within moments, entire villages vanished beneath thick volcanic ash. Nothing was left in sight. The eruption shook the sea. Giant tsunami waves rushed toward the nearby coastline without warning.
In April 1815, a cataclysm began. Colossal waves smashed into the Indonesian coastline, destroying homes, boats, and everything in their path.
By midday, the ash blocked the sun. It felt like midnight, in the middle of the day.
Then came silence. Only falling ash and distant thunder echoed across the lifeless land. The ash didn't stop there. Powerful winds carried it across oceans, reaching countries thousands of miles away. The next year felt unreal. Summer never arrived, and temperatures dropped across the northern hemisphere. Frozen fields produced almost nothing. Crops failed, and food quickly became dangerously scarce. Soon, hunger spread everywhere. Families searched desperately for food, but the markets were almost empty. Food prices doubled, then tripled, then tripled. For many families, even a single loaf of bread became unaffordable. With no food left, thousands abandoned their homes, hoping to survive somewhere else. Many believed the end of the world had arrived. Fear spread faster than the volcanic ash. No one understood the disaster. Scientists searched for answers, but the skies remained dark for months.
Years later, scientists confirmed the truth. Mount Tambora had changed Earth's climate.
Nature's greatest warning came in 1815. One eruption changed history, and it could happen again. In New England, summer frost killed crops overnight. Farmers couldn't believe what they were seeing. Cold weather froze rivers early. Trade stopped, and isolated towns struggled to survive. Cold weather froze rivers early. Trade stopped, and isolated towns struggled to survive. Autumn arrived, but the harvest failed. Fields stood empty. Entire communities were left without food. With no harvest left, desperate families searched forests for anything they could eat. A strange haze covered the sky. Even at noon, the sun looked weak and pale. As food disappeared, farm animals weakened. Thousands of livestock died from cold and starvation. Every evening, the sky glowed deep red. Volcanic ash painted sunsets unlike anything people had ever seen. Month after month, the cold continued. People realized this was no ordinary weather. The disaster crossed oceans. Europe and North America suffered from the same mysterious cold. One eruption cooled the planet, millions suffered, proving nature could change history in a single day.
Scientists still study Tambora today because another eruption of this scale could happen again.
Today, Tambora looks peaceful. But deep below, the volcano is still alive.
Tambora's eruption remains the most powerful in recorded history, leaving scars the world still remembers. History warns us clearly. Another giant eruption could change the world once again.
Nature never forgets. The next great eruption is not impossible, only unpredictable.
One volcano changed the climate. One disaster changed history. The lesson still remains today. More than 2 centuries later, Tambora still reminds humanity of nature's unstoppable power. Empires rise and fall, but nature always has the final word.
Today, the mountain is silent. But beneath it, unimaginable power still waits.
Tambora changed history forever. Its warning still echoes across every generation. History remembers Tambora, because one day, another giant may awaken. Even today, the giant crater stands as proof of Earth's incredible destructive power.
Tambora wasn't just a volcano. It changed weather, history, and millions of lives.
No one knows when, but Earth's most powerful volcanoes are still alive today. Earth is always changing. Beneath every volcano, immense forces continue shaping our world. The past cannot be changed, but its warnings should never be ignored.
One eruption changed the climate. Its legacy still shapes how we study our planet. Tambora's story is over, but Earth's story continues. Stay curious, because history is still being written.